My name is Yaoling, Yaoling, Lee. When I was 29 years old, I came to Belize. I went to art school in Taiwan, so my major was sculpture. So I really love sculpture, working with hand. And then I went to Europe. I spent 7 years, 2 years in Spain, Salamanca, Barcelona. I love it. And then Paris, 4 years. And then I got married. I started painting for more than 10 years, raising children. I have 3 children, young adult, they are now. And then I think since 7 years ago, I have more time now. I get to do what I love to do. You know, it's very different when you be a mother in a family. Your title is mother. And I think I need to I need to find my identity back. I'm just me. Maybe to other people, a little crazy person, standing under the hot sun or when it's raining hard and then she's out there painting. But then that's what I love to do. When I feel inspired, motivated me, nothing can stop me. Nothing, basically nothing. Plein air is just a term. It's a French word, plein air. It's like open air. In Espanol, it's pintura en aire libre. It's sketching from life, painting from life, whatever you call. Is that you go out when you do landscape. Your subject is right in front of you. When I'm doing a portrait, the person right in front of you. Everything's like that. So this practice go back to art school. Or if you don't go to art school, you can still do it. It's a practice, it's a regular practice. It's just a routine practice. It's like I'm sketching, right? Wherever I go, I sketch. So there's no shortcut. If you want to really learn fundamentals, you want to build your skill, you have to go back to the very beginning. Sketching from life means that you train your eyes and hands. You observe. So I think the best way to work with, to do what I want to do is to collaborate with resort. Resort first, they have a beautiful landscape, beautiful view. And then they can help me to get where I want to be. And that's what I did with the artists in residency with the Belize Collection. Wonderful. It's people, it's always people. It's always about people, the connection, human beings, always. Everything starts from people, the connection. Yeah, landscape, yes, but it's like when I just came here, it's the connection I made. And then they spread out. So 8 years ago, when my kids are slightly older, I get a lot more time. So I did a project of 100 portrait study. Mainly, I get to paint you. I'm looking at you. So they came to my studio and I spent 6 months non-stop, Monday to Sunday, 2 sessions a day, and I completed more than 100 portrait study. I don't know how to answer this question. I go wherever I go, and then if the scenery inspires me, motivates me, then I paint. The light is very important. I need to feel it. Sometimes I talk about it in my book. I need to feel it. It's very abstract. It's a very abstract feeling. I want to do everything, as long as it tickles me. Like, I feel that. Otherwise, it's just not. It maybe looks pretty, like, oh, it looks pretty, but I don't feel things. It's a mystery sometimes. Yeah. Not really inspired my painting. Say that inspired my practice. As I sketch wherever I go, I especially love the Belizean culture. You know those cow dance. Yeah, and also the drumming. Whenever I run into them on the street, I have to stop and I have to sketch them. That's why I always have the sketchbook with me. And those moments just keep me like, and that make my day always. Not necessary to compose a painting, no. It's the process, and that makes me so happy. And the jazz musician as well, I love jazz. So those are very important to keep me alive, like I'm feeling energetic, I'm feeling inspired. It's very important. Belize City, I think not much people, almost nobody talk about good words about Belize City, and that's one of the reasons why I've published the book called Beautiful Belize City. It's beautiful. We got everything in Belize City. I live in Belize City. You see the water, the boat, sunlight, even it's raining, cloudy. People, yeah, they're always bad people, gangster, yeah, but people I, in general, find them good people. They are great people, good people, nice people. If you're willing to see them. So I drive around, I spend time drive around, looking for scenery. At a certain time, maybe look different. Morning, noon, and afternoon, in the night, the same place might look different. Also, the vibe can be different also. So usually I scouting the place. I prepare. It's not that spontaneous. Usually I have a mind. I know that is the one. But then sometimes because the light is not ideal, then I might change. But the light, and usually I might call it like mental work. Usually I do a lot of mental work. I think about the composition, the size, orientation could be landscape or like this, the size small or large. Usually I have rough idea. And then, yeah, when I decide I go, then I'll set up my painting gear, right? Usually I do a little sketch, very small one for the composition. If I like it, I adjust it. If I like, then I start to do it. That's what I did. I mean, with every painting I did at this residency. Yeah. Oh, like I tripped? Yeah, okay, the second day I tripped because, I don't know, I was using, so no use the phone when you are walking. I tripped, so both my knees were bleeding, and that's okay. And then a few days later, I was painting the Maya head, and they helped me, the staff, they helped me to go across the water, everything perfect, awesome. And then in order to set up my Plein umbrella, I tripped again, so my hand landed on the spiky tree, palm tree. The needle's like this, 3 centimeters. So yeah, bad. Yeah. So I have those needles in my hand for 3 days. Otherwise, just I ran into a friend lately. She said, "Oh, Yaoling, wonderful. Are you enjoy having a lot of fun doing this residency? Enjoyable and just relaxing?" I said, "No, on the contrary. It's very intense. Nobody told me to do that. It's all about me. I'm the one who wants to go through this intense process because I really appreciate the company, the Belize Collection, willing to do this with me because they are investing the resource from their resort and also people, human capital as well. Marketing team and also the ground staff. So they fed me, they assist me to go wherever I want to go. And I have to work hard too, not because I want to, but because I'm seeing other people, how hard they are working to assisting me. So I have to even work harder. So it was a wonderful experience, I have to say. And I pushed myself to the next level. So everything goes back to sketching. Okay, so sketching, when I'm sketching, is quick. It's almost like a gesture drawing. If you know about gesture drawing, like when we go back to the art school, we have those model posts. We have like half an hour drawing, 15 minutes, we got 5 minutes. Sometimes you got 1 minute, or half minutes. Those are called gesture drawing, and that's what I was doing with the children when I give some workshop called sketching from life, and sometimes I incorporate like stickman. I call stickman game. I have people to post a certain post, and we say okay 1 minute, and then later I say half minutes and 1 second, so people get to train their eyes and hand. They capture the gesture, no detail, just the gesture, and the same concept is same for the landscape. It's the same thing. There are things I only know by practicing. Now I know it, but I don't really understand. But this 1 month long residency somehow make me understand certain things that I admire other artists is doing, and I'm so pleased that I won't say finally, but kind of like wow, I get it. But you see, it's the small things. I get it now. The one that really come to my mind now is the one I did up to the stable, because the landscape. More is not better. Less is good. So it's very important. I mean, to my point of view, simplify. When you keep the space to breathe, that make a piece better. And because of that piece I did, I finally realized this concept, which I knew before, but I didn't really get that, the sense of that. So that is it's just wonderful. Yeah. Color. I think it's the air, the freedom. Freedom, yeah. I think we humans are very complicated, right? We have all sort of responsibility and things. But then when I'm outside painting, I'm so free. So free. It's all about connection. I have to tell you, whatever I do, it's about a connection. Everything goes back to the connection. The landscape, yes, is a nature, but it's a connection. Everything we talk is about connection. Oh, sketching. There's no shortcut. Whether you're young or middle age, just sketch. You don't need much. You just need a pencil and paper. You can even make your own sketchbook from scratch. You just have to sketch. You don't need to do a finished drawing, no, just sketch. Sketch a flower, sketch a bird, sketch a plate, a fork, a cake you eat, a coffee, tea, apple, banana. Just sketch whatever you see. Sketch whatever come to your eyes. And maybe perhaps leave a few notes. It's like a diary. Everything starts from sketching. Everything. Come out and painting with me. Come out with me. If you see me painting on the street, come and say hi to me. Maybe have a few words with me. I will be happy to talk to you. Or if you know where I'm going to be, just grab a pencil and sketchbook and come out sketching with me. Come out, just come on. It's not a competition. Just come out and to see what I see. And I will tell you what I see. Yeah.